What's good, YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz with a pair of these retro Jordan 12 Nylon. Well, today we're gonna be focusing on a lot of icing on the bottoms. The midsole doesn't really need any paint. Let's go ahead and take these bad boys to the washer real quick. What we're gonna do is make sure the water's on cold, add detergent, a little splash of bleach, and you're good to go. Fresh out the bathtub, these bad boys didn't come out too bad, man. You can honestly just throw them on your feet, run out the door. But these bottoms got a lot of gunk, dirty, filthy looking, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. We're gonna need our plastic, the shoe sauce, add that bad boy on there. Sit back and just enjoy the rest of the process. Be right back in a second. After doing like 3 sessions for 3 to 4 days straight, guys, I didn't want to record the whole process because this video would have been like 10 minutes long, trying to make a 2-3 minute video. But check these bad boys out, and just like I always say, if you check the very beginning of this video until this point, you can see a whole lot of difference. They were yellowing very badly, they was dirty, filthy looking on the bottoms. And I got them back to high quality looking shoes, right? Needless to say, if you made it this far, make sure you like. Any questions, drop a comment down below, and stay blessed.